Hello, my name is Mr. Hemish Kumar. This is my channel where I make coffee-related videos. I have posted many other videos as well, but I haven't explained things to you in this way before. Today I will show you this skill, how to make a cafe mocha using this tip. You need to watch this, and I hope you will enjoy this video. So, this is a 1 to 2 minute video, so you need to pay close attention, and this is a cafe mocha with a small cafe. Whatever I have described to you, as I am showing, the cafe mocha is made in this way. It will have a chocolate cuff flavor, and the froth will be in this style as well. But you see, this is how it is done.